Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to install the official MySQL extension by Oracle in Visual Studio Code. This extension will let you manage your database easily right inside VS Code. Let's get started. Find the Extensions tab on the left-hand side and open it. Search for MySQL Shell. You can dive deep into the details of the extension to find out about current and new features. Click Install. You'll see a "Do you trust the publisher of this extension" prompt. Click on Trust Publisher and install. In general, you'll see the Uninstall button to know that the installation is complete, but this time we'll continue the installation on the welcome page. Click Next to proceed. Your computer may ask for your permission to proceed for security purposes. Enter your credentials and continue. You'll see the installation completed message on the page once it's done. As instructed on the screen, click the Reload VS Code window button to continue. After reload, you'll see the MySQL extension on the left-hand side menu. Click on it. The MySQL Shell page will open for you. I already have a MySQL database server on Docker, physically located on my local computer. You can watch the video linked in the description below on how to install a MySQL database server on Docker. Let's go ahead and create our first connection to a database. You can either click on the New Connection button on the welcome page or click on the plus icon that appears when you hover over database connections on the left. Once you click on the button, the database connection configuration window will open for you. Caption and description will be automatically filled in for you, but you may make changes if you want to. The important fields on this page to fill in are the host name or IP address and username. Then click Store Password. You need to use the password you chose during the installation of the database server on Docker while creating it. Click OK. Now you'll see your connection under the Database Connections section. When you click on the chevron icon on the left of your connection, you'll see the default system databases. I'll demonstrate how to create a new database as an example using an SQL script. Click on the icon in the middle. I'll paste my pre-prepared script into the editor. You can pause the video and see the details of the script and create your own. Here on the top, click Execute Full Script. You can see the progress in the output window below. As you can see, using the script, the database has been created first, then the tables. And you can see that our newly created database is here with the tables we created in it. Right-click on the table and click Show Data to see the data in it. These are the sample data we inserted into our tables with the script. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.